whole to the power of minus 1 by 6 is 6 will cancel. We are having 6 power minus 1. This can be written in the form of inverse form, means if you take out this minus, you will get 1 by 6. Okay, that is nothing but a power minus 1 equal to 1 by a formula. Clear? A inverse equal to 1 by a. That is your 8th bit. Next, see the 9th question. What is 9th one? 4 root under 81. Simplify 4 root under 81 minus 83 under 243. 8 into 3. Oh, sorry, 8 into cube root of 243 plus 15 into fifth root of 32 plus under root of 225. Okay, see, fourth root of 81. Sorry, fourth root of 81 minus 8 into cube root of 343 plus 15 into fifth root of 32 plus under root of 225. Okay, see here, this 81 can be written as 1 by 4. Fourth root of 81 can be written as 81 into 81 whole to the power of 1 by 4 minus 8 into, here 243 or 343, 343 whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus 15 into 32 whole to the power of 1 by 5 plus square root means 225 under root of 1 by 2. Sorry, power 1 by 2. Okay, this is your square root, means you will get 1 by 2. This is your fifth root, means 1 by 5 you will get. This is your cube root, 1 by 3 you will get. This is your fourth root, means 1 by 4 you will get. Clear? Now this 81 can be written as 3 power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4 minus 8 into this 343 can be written as 7 cube into 1 by 3 power 1 by 3 plus 15 into 32 can be written as 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. Okay, plus 225 can be written as 15 square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Means from here this 2 will cancel, 5 will cancel, 3 will cancel, 4 will cancel. Okay, finally you are having 3 minus 8 into 7 plus 15 into 2 plus 15. Okay, by this step 3 minus 8 sevens are 56 plus 30 plus 15. 15 plus 3 is your 30 plus 15 is your 48 minus, just simplify ma, 30 plus 15 45, 45 plus 3 is your 48 minus 56. Finally you will get minus 8. Okay, minus 8 is your answer. Are you clear? Just observe, understand the problem. Clear? Good. Next, see the 10th one. If a and b are rational numbers, find the values of a and b in each of the following equations. Okay, just how to do ma, you have to rationalize with the denominator, that is under root 3 minus root 2. Okay, just I will tell you one problem, the remaining problem you have to do by your own. Okay, root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Okay, a plus b root 6. Clear? This you have to rationalize the denominator, root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 into. Okay, now what you have to do, just multiply numerator and denominator. Okay, root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 root 3 plus root 2. Okay, now do simplification here. How much you will get? A plus b into a plus b. Okay, a plus b into a plus b is your a plus b whole square. So root 3 whole square, that is nothing but a square, plus 2 into root 3 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square. Okay, this is in the form of a plus b into a plus b. In the sense, you have to write within a plus b whole square. The formula is a square plus 2 into a into b, 2ab plus b square. Okay, and divided by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Okay, root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Clear? Root 3 whole square is nothing but square root will be cancelled. 3 plus 2 into under root of 6, that is nothing but root 3 into root 2 is nothing but 3 2s are 6 under root of 6. Okay, plus square root will cancel here, 2 you will get. Next, here also square root cancel, 3 minus 2 is yeah 1. Okay, clear? Next, 5 plus how much you will get? 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay, this is your answer. Now he is asking in the question, that is a plus b under root of 6. Yes or no? By the question. Okay, by the question, what is your question? Root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 equal to a plus b root 6. Okay, here root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 equal to this much you will get. Okay, clear? Now the value of root 3 plus root 2, here the value is here this much. Okay, 5 plus 2 root 6 equal to a plus b root 6. From here, from this we can conclude that a equal to how much? 5 and b equal to 2. Yes or no? A equal to 5 and b equal to 2. These are the values of a and b. Okay, just you have to find out the values of a and b. That is how you have to, this is how you have to find the values of a and b. Clear? Just you have to rationalize the denominator with opposite sign and do means you have to substitute in the formulas, then you have to simplify, you will get the answers like this. Okay, second problem also similar to first one, just you have to do by your own. This is your homework problem. Okay, yes. Now see 11th question. See all of you, 11th one. What is 11th question? Find square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. Okay, square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. Now if you observe here, just write down this square root of 11 plus 2 root 30, right? In your solution, square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. Okay, now this can be written as, this 11 can be written as 5 plus 6. Yes or no? 5 plus 6 plus 2 root 5. This 30 can be written as root 5 into root 6. Yes or no? Root 5 into root 6. This 11 can be written as 5 plus 6 and root 30 can be written as root 5 into root 6. Okay, now it is in the form of, tell me on which identity, from which identity it came? In the form of under root of a plus b plus 2 root a root b. What is this formula? This formula is root a plus root b. Okay, now here a equal to how much? A equal to root 5 and b equal to root 6. Okay, by this you can conclude that root a plus root b equal to root 5 plus root 6. Okay, sorry, here a equal to 5 and b equal to 6. Then root a plus root b equal to root 5 plus root 6. Therefore, square root of 11 plus 2 root 30 equal to root 5 plus root 6. This is your answer. Okay. If you are having any doubts, just comment me, I will tell you. So, by this, you have finished your first chapter in your maths. Okay. Just what you have to do, complete your classwork also along with me. Means while classes are going, you have to complete your classworks also. Okay. On coming weekends, means on Saturday, you are having the correction of your first chapter. Okay. All of you bring your notes, or else send your notes with your parents. Okay. Thank you, ma. If you're having any doubts, just comment me. Bye. Thank you.